Hi everyone, this is Jacqueline, and in this video I will be giving a brief tutorial on the user deactivation and reactivation. So both Tier 3 and Tier 4 users can deactivate or reactivate other users. So we're just going to go ahead and log in as a Tier 4. So now once we log in, we can go to the admin tab, and in the admin dashboard we can go to user management, and here is where we can view all the users and manage them and delete and deactivate. So let's go ahead and pick any user. Since we are logged in as Tier 4, Tier 4 can manage any user. So we'll just pick officer, and we'll go ahead and deactivate him. And you'll see that it takes you to a confirmation screen, so we're going to confirm. And once we click on officer, it shows up as deactivated. So let's try to log in as officer. As you can see, it does not allow us to log in. Once a user has been deactivated, that user can no longer log in. So once we go back in as the root, we can go back to the admin dashboard, user management, and reactivate the user, confirm. And so once we click, you'll see it is that officer is no longer deactivated. So let's go ahead and try to log in as officer again. And now we can log in as officer. So it's a very basic concept of deactivation and reactivation. The main difference is that Tier 3 and Tier 4 users can both deactivate and reactivate users, but the Tier 3 user can only deactivate and reactivate users within their own agency, while the Tier 4 user can deactivate and reactivate any user in the system. So that has been the quick video. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone, this is Jacqueline, and I will be showing the user deletion functionality in this video. So the user deletion is only allowed for Tier 3 and Tier 4 users. So we're just going to go ahead and log in as a Tier 4. So once we log in, we can go to the admin tab, and then we go to the user management page. And here you'll see all the users, and as a root you can edit and manage any of the users. So let's go ahead and click officer 3. So as you can see, we have the option to delete and deactivate, but we're just going to do delete today, so we'll click delete. It takes you to the confirmation page, and you click confirm. And now once it takes you back to the user management page, you'll see that the user is no longer in the system. So it's a very simple concept, and any of the Tier 3 or Tier 4 users can do it. The only difference between the Tier 3 and Tier 4 is that the Tier 3 user can only manage users within their own agency, while the root or Tier 4 user can manage all of the users regardless of agency. So this has been the quick video on user deletion. Thank you for watching.